What's up, everybody? We got some new drones at KVEC, and I want to give you an unboxing and kind of overview of what they are. Alex, you got one? Dude, that's empty. Sorry, we'll use this one. All right, guys, what we got here is the Tello drones. They're made by DJI. These things has got a camera on them. We'll open it up and see what's in it. The packaging is good. They're not moving around. Set that off to the side. Then off to the side. All right, so this is the drone. Like I said, it's a DJI Tello drone. It's perfect for indoor flights, in gyms, flying down a hallway, whatever you guys need it for. It's got some sensors on the bottom. So this one will hover more precise. The controls are more precise. It still flies by a tablet. We got iPads that we use, so that'll still stay the same. The controls are still the same as on any drone. But what's cool about this versus the other one is, like I said, this has got a camera on it. So you guys, instead of just flying around and watching it, you can fly FPV through the camera. This thing will fly for about 15 minutes. I know the Parrot drones that we've been flying, they fly for about 6 minutes. So you get almost double the flight time. Yeah, so that's pretty much the drone. We'll get down here and see what it comes with. We've got move the packaging. Looks like we got a instruction manual in multi-language. And we've got the battery and some, it feels like propellers. Yep, there's the battery. So this battery is a little bit different than the battery from the other drones. The biggest feature is it's longer and the capacity is better. So like I said, instead of 6 minutes, we're gonna go for 13 to 15 now. So cool. And some extra props. Those are always handy. Stay tuned and we'll get a flight review.